Hello, my name is Ryan with Spark Dental, and I'm here to provide you an instruction video on how to use one of our products. Here is the product. It is a rubber mouth dam for dental processes. Specifically, it can be used for teeth whitening. Dentists may use them for a whole slew of different operations and processes. So, one of the major points with this product is people will think it's too big for their mouth. As you can see, this does look too big for my mouth. When choosing this product, however, you have to keep in mind it's going inside your mouth. So this is actually the area it fits in. When you measure to see if this will fit you, you need to check an area wider than your mouth, because it needs to be bigger than your mouth in order to fit. It's made of a flexible material, so you can get it in your mouth, and it will hold your mouth open quite well. Little disclaimer, it's going to look really silly when I put this in. Feel free to laugh, that's perfectly fine. It's a little convoluted, the process to get to this in your mouth. The instructions don't cover it well at all. Normally, a dentist would put this in your mouth. If you're doing a teeth whitening treatment at home, yes, it looks a little silly putting it in, but it's very much worth it. You don't want that teeth whitening gel touching your lips, your gums, as little as possible, because the gel, especially if you've got a stronger concentration, it can be very painful and at least uncomfortable and leave white spots. So this is an absolute must. Now, the process for getting this into your mouth is not what it says on the instructions. If you just do this and try to put it in your mouth, it's not going to happen. It will not go in your mouth. You'll be struggling with it all day. The proper way to actually get this into your mouth is to squeeze it down and bend it. So once you've squeezed it down, bent it, it will go in your mouth much easier. You may have to work your lips to get it out a little bit. It's supposed to be between, this inside is supposed to be between your lips and your gum, and the outside one should be on the outside of your mouth. And this little area in the middle, this is the part that should be the same size as the edge of your mouth. And it's flexible too, so it doesn't need to be exact by a long shot. So I'm not going to be able to talk after I get this in my mouth. So once again, bend it, fold it, put one edge in your mouth. It will look a little silly. You ready? Here we go. Okay, and the reason I did that little demonstration with my finger and with opening and closing my mouth is to show it's very soft, it's very flexible. This is a medium size. I have extra room in there. I need a large size myself, even though this looks bigger than my mouth when I hold it up. So keep that in mind. Hope this video helps. This has been Ryan with Spark Dental.